When I decided to make a December Daily album in 2010, I had absolutely no idea what I was doing. I had a hard time sourcing the supplies, knowing what kinds of adhesive and tools to use, but somehow I got it together. I divided the album into 3 different sections using this chipboard foundation that I found. You can see there's not a lot of embellishment. It's very heavily focused on pattern papers and the overlays and these vintage cards that I found. I managed to have a little bit of journaling on those custom tags, which is funny because I still do that today. And I love that I have this in particular because this was when I found out I was pregnant with Emily in this Christmas season. So this is a really special album and one that I'm glad started my journey with December Daily. It's such a treasure to have, and it's fun to look back on and see both how far I've come and how much things have stayed the same.